peoples, for a post-Thanksgiving day reveal and review. It's your boy Art Czar back with you, live in effect, for yet another one, so it doesn't bite the dust. Well, my good people, today, hope you had a wonderful, wonderful holiday season. I hope you guys went out and ate everything. This table actually hosted a lot of different meals and things like that over the holidays, so I've cleaned it all off so that I can make this video for you guys and jump right into it. So today I would like to share an item that I recently came into contact with that I think would be of value to the coach team, but it is not a coach item this particular time. It's something that I think is an awesome item, but I'll reveal it anyway. Here we go. Bang! It's your guy, Mr. Christian Louboutin, back at it again. He never ceases to amaze me with what he makes. Now, you guys know I'm a fan of Christian Louboutin. What we have here are the Lou Spike Flat Python Luminor casts, 45 size, Europe 45, which is about a 12 in the US space. Sometimes I'm a 44.5, 45, depends on the shoe. Christian Louboutin is my guy, okay? All right, guys, let's bust this up. I got these, and I wanted to break these out, show you guys what I think of them. I love them. These shoes are amazing. Let's see what you think. Bang! Oh my goodness. Let me tell you something. Guys, ladies, I love Christian Louboutin. He is my favorite, by far my favorite sneaker designer. I don't know why. I don't know why your boy Arts out there know why. I just don't know. Is this something about the way these things look? It's the design, it's the material, it's the wacky flavors that he uses. I don't know what it is, okay? I just like it. It's like a fruit cake. You know, you're not supposed to like it, but you just do. It's got those weird shapes and flavors in there of different items. You don't know what in the world it is. And depends on who the maker is, it doesn't taste that bad. But it's like Christian Louboutin is like a fruit cake in design. But I just love it. I just can't get enough of his stuff. It just does something to me. Look at this. You have the gold spiked toe cap. You have your stitching along the base of the rubber for the sole. You have nice sport calf leather that goes along the vamp of the shoe. And of course, this is a real python, everybody. This is not your little goofy little false python, your fox python, if they want to call it that. You have your Louboutin patch, okay, insignia, if that's what you want to call it, raised, stitched on. It is not a adhesive patch, it is stitched. Very good material on these. They are soft and supple, man. And it's probably one of the best buys I've had in a long time. The sport calf on the heel of the shoe, the pull tab, double track stitching. It's not going to fray. They use the same nylon stitching that Coach uses. Just wonderful craftsmanship. Look at that. Look at that. Just design quality is just out of this world. And you're going to have your red bottom, and everybody wants to see that. But more importantly, guys, let's talk about the interior of the shoe. It's a soft leather. I don't know what grade of calf this is, but I'm going to tell you something. This is that Coach leather. It's like a Coach level leather. It's how they treat their leather at the tannery. I mean, these guys did an amazing job over there in Paris when they made these, or wherever they make them. I just know wherever they came from, I want them to send more because I want to get more. These things are amazing. I love Louboutins. I cannot get enough of these sneaks. They're awesome. Then you have your little card in there from Louboutin himself. He says, love your red soles. Please note, all shoes must be tried on carpet. They won't want you to walk outside with them and try to return them. Very delicate. Our shoes are very delicate. We cannot accept returns on shoes that appear to be worn or damaged. Makes sense to me. Blah, blah, blah. And you get your nice little welcome document from Louboutin. Some little envelope or some stuff in there. You know, I don't know what it is. Well, and even the inside of his envelopes are red. My God, man, what is going on? Just more welcome to the family type of stuff. I'm cool with that. Now, another little funny thing he always includes these little soft bags, these little cotton storage bags for your extra shoelaces. You know, it's the weirdest little touch. I like it. It doesn't, you know, it's not something you'll write home about, but it's just the little things. It's like I said, Denzel, the little things. It's always the subtleties of life that bring the most flavor. Think about it. The smallest of some things have the most flavor that you've ever had in your life. And this is pretty much one of them. It's like, you know, taking a bite of a good burger or something like that you've never had in another place, you know, overseas or something. You taste that burger and it's like, wow, I never had that flavor hit you like that. It's like this. And you get the extra studs. I'm not going to go through and take them out, but they're little gold ones in here. I've seen them already. And in case you get one knocked off or something like that, you misplace one, something comes undone, something becomes dislodged, or you know, you hang foot on somebody and it gets stuck and you have to pull it out, and then, you know, you're missing a couple of these and there you go. Just a joke. Anyways, but you're going to have really nice stitching in these shoes. Very nice, subtle, soft, supple is the word. Supple leather. They're extremely comfortable, people. I mean, these shoes are a work of art. I'm telling you. Some of the sneakers are a little outrageous, but I like them all. It's just me. I'm a fan. You know, some people out there, they say, oh, well, you know, he's a little bit of a maverick in these, but I don't care. I like them. I'll wear all of them. Some of them are not my favorites. He's got a couple out there that I'm not crazy about them, but I'll still wear them on a good day. Depends on, I rock them. You know, it depends on what what I'm rocking them with. I do not have any video of me wearing these just yet. But I do have some mod shots I'm going to post up for you guys when I load this up. So at least you'll get a photo of me with them on. But I don't have any video in it right now, but that's fine. And you know, you really don't need it because you get the idea. It's just a really, really nice, well-made shoe. It's going to give you that comfort and support along the heel base. The foot, it's got weight to it too. That's another thing I like about my sneakers. I don't like those flimsy sneakers. You bend them all, you can bend them up with one hand. No, these things are going to be around for a while. As long as you don't bang them up, you don't play any pickup football games or baseball games or pick up basketball games with these. These are not those types of sneakers. These are fashion sneakers, okay? These are not to be worn on the basketball court, or definitely not on the basketball court, football field, tennis court, any of that stuff. You track and field. You're not wearing these for anything like that, okay? These sneakers are designed. These are your dress sneakers, okay? You throw these on or dress them up. You can dress them down. It really depends on the fit. If your fit is lit, the shoes will hit. I kind of like that. There you go. If your fit is lit, the shoes will hit. And that's the same thing with these Louboutins, man. If the fit is lit, the shoes going to hit. You guys take that into consideration when you're rocking sneaks like this, because these things are going to speak to people that see these on you. Okay, they're gonna say, "Wow, this guy's got a little bit of flavor. This young lady's got some flavor," because these are obviously unisex. Anybody can wear them. You know, guy, girl, lady, or man, or woman, or gentleman, however you want to look at it. Anyone can rock these and do a wonderful job doing it too. I welcome any and everybody to put these on. I don't care who you are, because they're going to look magnificent. I am a huge Christian Louboutin fan. They are my go-to dress sneaker. You know, and of course I have other ones out there, but these are the ones you write home about, in my opinion. You don't get many of these to talk about. You don't get many of these to show, because these are very expensive. But the key about it is, once you give a pair, you have them for life. And he has a wonderful repair facility that I've yet to find. I know it's here in North Carolina somewhere. Don't know exactly where it is, but I've heard the stories. Okay, I'm going to find it too, just in case your boy Art Star has a weird occurrence where the shoe gets damaged or something. I'm going to need your boy to have a backup spot to get him looked at. Okay, but again, these are the Christian Louboutin. And I'm still the name. You know, I got to get that name down. There we go. Your loose spikes flat Python Luminor calf skins. Yeah, that's good enough. So you guys, do me a favor. Should have like, share, subscribe to the content. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or things you want me to improve on. Your boy Arzar got you back. In the meantime, let's just marvel at the look of that shoe. Boom.